What are the three types of logistics? Inbound logistics. This refers to the transportation, storage, and delivery of goods or materials from suppliers to a business or manufacturing facility. Outbound logistics. This involves managing the movement of finished products from a business to its customers or distribution centers. Third-party logistics 3PL. This includes outsourcing logistics services such as warehousing, transportation, and distribution to a third-party provider. 3PL companies offer specialized expertise and resources, allowing businesses to focus on their core operations. How does technology impact logistics? Technology plays a crucial role in the logistics industry, improving efficiency, accuracy, and speed of operations. Some ways technology impacts logistics include real-time tracking. With advanced tracking technologies like GPS, businesses can track their goods' exact location and movement in real time, enabling better supply chain management and customer service. Automation. Technology has enabled automation in various aspects of logistics, from inventory management to order processing. This has reduced human error and increased productivity, ready to revolutionize your transportation strategies. Dive in to discover how you can propel your enterprise into unprecedented success. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Step into the future of logistics with Motive, where every challenge is an opportunity for unrivaled success. By integrating Motive into your workflow, you don't just keep pace with industry leaders, you become one. Empower your business with Motive today and unleash a future where excellence is the norm. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive. Don't miss our engaging exploration of the transportation industry in our previous video.